Just a few notes before we begin. When you click on the video, you will see that the timeline has markers that divide into chapters. If you want to skip ahead or go back, just click on the chapter you would like to review. If you come across slides that need more reading time, pause the video and take your time to carefully go through the content. What matters most here is that you learn at your own pace and with diligence. And if you're using your mobile phone, turn it sideways so you can see a larger image. Module 4, Management Levels 2, Organizational Level. Organizational level, how it works. At the organizational level, the Audit Committee and the Executive Board act as a bridge between institutional decisions and operational actions. This is where strategies are defined before implementation begins. It includes structuring the organization, its governing bodies, and the hierarchy within the project teams. It also ensures separation of powers between governors and management, reinforcing accountability for coordination and team supervisors. Organizational level, how it is structured. At organization levels, there are three main structures. Here's what each one does. General Assembly, the highest decision-making body. It sets policies, approves annual reports, and appoints or removes the Executive Board and Audit Committee. Executive Board manages day-to-day operations, coordinates funding proposals and campaigns, and implements approved plans. Audit Committee oversees financial accounts and reports, providing recommendations to ensure good governance. At Ação Natureza, the General Assembly decides, the Executive Board manages, and the Audit Committee oversees, ensuring a balance between governors and management. Organizational level, why it matters. Tips for effective functioning. The organizational structure shows how associates coordinate activities and how tasks are typically divided, grouped, and organized. For teams to function well, both member interactions and individual roles must be clearly defined for leaders and for team members alike. Hierarchy supports this by outlining how governing bodies and staff relate and organizing roles and responsibilities. For example, at Ação Natureza, projects are approved at the institutional level. At the organizational level, coordinators assign tasks. At the operational level, teams carry out activities, and supervision takes place throughout all project stages. That concludes our fourth module. We hope this e-learning manual helps you strengthen your organization. Let's move on to Module 5.